on Kuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Eradi asomdwe nka mu nyina onuadofo a wotie me onipa asetre mu nsem edoso ebi ye nije na ebi eyareho ne eye nije no ye kaide nanso ne nkai ne kakra bi na ne yareho no ndifo nyankopon nhyira amen.
Station Radio Man Kenya on Kuma Radio 97.1. Hey, on Kuma Radio.
Are you ready?
Technical, they are doing well. Technical, Prosper Ogum, fantastic. I think I'll say yes, supporting. Now what him, let me give for the boys. Protocol is doing well. 3 points. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. And I know, at this time he's heading towards the cup. Look. And your performance in India, Ubet Media winning match. Ubet me a bomb match. What pass or not? Well, lose and our border. So for me, as Obika Senyan, there's a time the coach has to see or be correcting mistakes. You be move on.
Man, no dear, not to me, maybe no I am as coaching, no coach here. Now the boys all the tuna come. Say maybe I'm queer. Wow, your head in the team piano. For so we've been winning.
I'll give you 50 over 100. On say when the first time all this are crucial and encounter game. And I game I said, protocol when the ball was through and has our from Kakra. And no compare person of free Nasina of Obastro. Before you could do that, you have to get a win. When you win now, then you can be coming up. It's not balls, not very tension. The first 25 minutes of the game, the referee was on top of his level. He was excellent. But after that he wasn't good enough for me. So I'll give him 70 over 100. But kudos to him. When you're up and coming referee, also the CAF matches, Champions League, Conference, what people have fun. And you need to work hard. But the game in there, 70 over 100 for the referee.
I think we were slow to start off with in the first half. Then we started to play a little bit of football. The slow start cost us from the set piece in the first 2 minutes.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
All right, and every Yamo Bibia Kwaba and Fambro Command 97.1 or Command Global Sports. And every NCA ba yedi ba wakwemui and a pay unse yeshasia at a Command Kasa by Didioma Nene Yabi Pimu and so our Command Global Sports and I yadi Jumedian ba and on the 12th of April 2022 and I said Kakra and I say Yakwe Numa Nessa. Na chese bosome no so chani ye di ni ade ade a internet na dwuma die no so ya tenase nesa club ya santo ha writer commentator ono so aba ono so ade ensem kakra enso no ebe fifi na yese otimi ade abrayen enso ojumedie no so international na park don say ene UEFA Champions League matches awo ho yes UEFA Champions League games awo ho no ma ye betra na yetumi adi hu komo ewo fia na hat folk enso ade statement ade ababontin ade afa referee eye party ho o show officiate na ontumi ediye ha sene kodoko game na okumasi a hat folk ade of press release ade abamo chemu se amo the protest kese akotumo awaye efe no akachi omo chemu efe no yan hwehwemu emfamfa referee no match a ono nso no etumi ekodi ye no eho enene nsama by betna se ne akonkrata hat folk enso etumi ade ababontin mu na yakenkan enso ade amam ntana dwumadie no eno so eno no na mpanyifo awodo etumi akasa Babija Tasamojan akasa ose ono no ansa no beko World Cup ni mu no ane sane amanfo kase ankasa Mojan ede no ko World Cup ebo ano ochirima onsheda anya fit sa bo no de obetuma bo na emu anya fit na emu ajiso ya fit asa ne no watumi akọ World Cup ni bi enene nsama eno so etumi abeto jana referee Atifu yes TRK Atifu ere nsam ere atuja chirim ze penalty na manfo kan nsem na de nyina penalty na penalty papa your brand here Nuruddin Fabio Gama ere na hwe form tino penalty but Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo ono a board member ere ma to folk nso akasa echima ni omo the petition ere akoma GFA review referees review committee no ara GFA no send be ombe share referee no modern bo ene identity sansem no send am dey to gather down beko na nkrata mu dey to gano yenso no yetumi ama yetifo huntenene nkoma ye ba be di ofi ha exactly producer Yura Kofi Anson Bafo Sansuna Nana Kofi Okorajman head of sports producer kasiepa show no so Krobia Sante the writer commentator DJ Zigibi Sansuna Donzi boy chidom Nana Damia enso ebo production afin so no abige hu nyina ebo ana dwumade no etumi akoso mi amiti adwamu midin Kelvin Amponsa edi ubetima from AK na anaye brand na say AK ne saa ana yedi enemu but betuma join live on Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 Okuman Radio 97.1 on Facebook sounds on YouTube and see Okuman Radio 97.1 Twitter Instagram ni no at Okuman 971 at Okuman 971 WhatsApp SMS Odeba 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and no WhatsApp and I think so SMS Odeba na finso yakenkan enso no etumi ede amao ewo dwumadie no so ntino zana Krobia Sante wa ha amekwa ni chena me mana kwa ba ono no de amana ne nsemba Krobia mama kwa ba
Ege
Krobia Sante
bibia kama ye bedo body ase se ene no osande edafo front no etumi ede adom yen ne yaba be piemu ewa ha enti I think se bibia ye kama de enya nyina no still na ye de aseda be ma no se papa uboni o yemfa aseda ema no enti de koyie ene de ankoyie nyina no serere ya ye de aseda enso ebema obade na bibia nso no etumi ayekama ensem ewo ho nti no eke ye de ni nyina enso eba ewo ho no ma eno nso enye fediagro ewo se ho ye de
o twere ampon adaroma me ho ye ampon adaroma me ho ye pa
okay ensem wo ho won se Didier Drogba yes eneno o hwe Ivory Coast udru ha wo football association no presidency no ono nso vie for so benya that position no yes wasaba bio be man that mandate no no nso etumi ewini ho ntino abato no betumi abaso yes yes into no
yeah the campaign here there
oguso April 23rd ya
because an election campaign here
yes April 23rd ya into zigi uko Facebook abehun say campaign no ya no zigi de beto so zigi wo share wo de Facebook okoma 97.1
okọ first one yi ne
into zigi fa no to so na ye nhwe e wo ho no mu be yi de ye nhwe ase ye mprepre hu na ye ni bi yes
Didier Drogba
yes
former Chelsea player
yes
ko body ma Galatasaray
ni
Musana no FA president ma Ivory Coast
na campaign
Ivorian Football Federation
campaign na brante ni guso no eke wo hwe ni pa ne mbere ma di nechi any the way na youth no
omunyina omuto aba
youth eno
so about football about one
about ya ga go di class ni ade na wo ho na ka go to ago na
club owners
one na gromo ana
Nipa ndio omudu we chance fan nipa ndio omupeno
yes
that's why be near my Ivory Coast
oh yes
o no yan so dey my Ivory Coast my no it was unfortunate say one team anje AFCON but boy don't call AFCON finals qualify to World Cup not even for Chelsea or sell Ivory Coast you know our year London and England now why be their mom it's nipa ndio omupeno as but omuntu aba
eno na adino unse say no abrant aye friend no no Samuel Eto'o
Samuel
Eto'o
yeah go on the first one
yes and on the fame nti wa kwe zo oreba second time
on no Jafcon ato no Jafcon
tino itina che say Drogba nso reba na me bisa say Steven Apia no mo no mo wan Michael Essien no e ka ye hu onwo
Apia no de gym
kata wokoye draw ni ade na hu Drogba no ni name
Anthony Bafu name
oh okay ye legend ye sheda hu wo efa ni o memu
let me be honest with you right see a performer player who are so as in a FA president to me omu bi no ade no beto Anthony
Bafu yes
Anthony Bafu
o hwe baby ono so Tottenham ya na
ja on say about football administration why bi papa FIFA coordination ni ade na
Abenenam eni CAF ni ade a
CAF dey say
no grade so
o 2014 World Cup grand finale ono coordinate here on the players ni fit and no ba on odi o mani change o ujina say security wise on na final on share nza
do we say Ghana had it
oh there be in terms of football administration
on we see no hu ye
in terms of you know that level for players
we no mu di Drogba no mu ni Drogba no mu ne won bobo yi di one day
now even with Drogba in terms of football administration ko ye be that
oh yes
to me who do not compare Anthony Bafu kana to me
Anthony
Bafu there oh yes extraordinary
okay Bafu no mo nye Drogba ni eto no mu generation no me talking about generation yes Pele no mu de wo mu nyina wo yi abedi Pele no mu ni ade wo mu nyina gugu o but
sen coach no Gisela
wonyere wo me hu say wo mu get wo mu hu into but any man nso ye whom you know ni senia wo be hurehurem se wo hu senia yes wo be brand hu ye ko ha na wo dimu na wo be ye hu se wo de bia wo do nsa she wo dem ni fam dia
after football no am focus ku football administration
yes
any ade and I think say ye die nbu wa omu fu wa omu ko football omu ko for coaching
okay
and scouting
okay
omu ko yes ani ama ni nyina anti no bi obi an na trend but obi aka se Ghana ha
yes
obetumi anafi Ghana yes your former player obetumi ye adwuma ni ye na obetumi nya position wa CAF no ono ko already position
on the say on the
FIFA
Anthony
Bafu
the order
ban football there World Cup 2014 2018
yen hwese obetumi apagya no hu
nyina wo fan ko
yen hwese obetumi apagya no hu du san pempen so na hwese na bibie tumi ai kama but
FA adwuma no pempan ko nya o ende no kre
okay one position yengura dampare ohodi o Ghana ha
so no ye IGP
yes
Inspector General of Police
nti make kasene a generally obi abeti ase ukokata womo IGP owo womo dampare owo kata unse womo kire se womo ye yiyim bi ni racism bi ni ade nti ode aba se womo nso unse womo guso a womo ebompai ni ade ana womo nsan ye omanga womo so sa LGBTQ ne sa LGBTQ ne sa ansem nti zigi ubebwa yan ho screen so enei no wo mu se wa wo nim na sa colors rainbow colors wa wo de rainbow color
abi LGBT for na colors no
yes ba say no ni rainbow colors
say abi house for kwa
One penny.
Oh, we say I say Romania colors we say rainbow color. Interview
Eti
fans we feel Romania. And yeah, country na about there, but to be about LGBTQ
yes.
one.
Eti leader, one leader your friend Abdulaziz Abdullah Al Ansari.
Abdullah Aziz Ansari.
Abdullah Al Ansari.
Hey.
Yes. The abet woman the paper change abet to go as a nino abang ma enko teams na qualify ni nyina mpa chew
just yen kama man for say gay ni lesbianism no almost so
work up colors no nti newu nimu akogogo sa LGBT fo colors a obehu one colors na fa bi si wo me hye na tare kra na mbro nim ana se katakuru nim wo se won pe bi wo because wo mu ye muslim fo a sa ni o ma ne de Womuchi.
One thing I'm who packages in there for the World Cup, even tickets in there. Yes. Now, Osha there and board team wumpa was a match ticket. If you about alcohol,
yes,
alcohol.
Womu raising pa. Womu raising.
On the mono pa alcohol.
Debbie.
You know, as the American say, even about alcohol, man no more about thing.
Yes.
Not on the street. You know, alcohol no boy things and about. Hey, Zuba, fiagumi. So I say
yes.
And no. You better be this uncle money now. Say, for bua no so.
But say one one mu ya adwene ana sa colors ni di nyi.
Say so. Once yeah Africa, I mean especially Ghana. Me for Ghana dey yeah na yedi nyame so atare ni ase. So no the right thing no asem bi we see ni pain
sa.
Eche nipa no yentumi. Na no da be a month ago na me.
Na what the colors ni bi nam Ghana na.
Omate committee I must say omundi unkomo na o se get for to be back committee no so ba be kire parliamentarians no any committee na omate na so for so na de chomo nienti a omo yes ani amanti ya oman no kwase ya bokati committee say yentie we no mu asem yes so ni amahunu bi so akeke we nya sabe so ni amahunu bi azo keke enti oma mo ya we ye gay we ye lesbian kwa bergo kata
enti eno na okoma ye break ya mo bibia colors
le da so ntie ni ye ugo twa mudu embassy mo visa kra do no kwa ye gay lesbian kwa se aba kwa ya ho be ma kwa ya ho bergo ba bia kwa isa asma de o ha wa ojejireje ya IGP akasa kata IGP akasa omo atese IGP ya oduba tum ukwa ya no my right ube yi nwa no ewie ni abo work up ewie o ya kwa no my right Amnesty International for so yanko na visa man ne sam yem famra
De Bruyne drifting away from N'Golo Conte. Kevin De Bruyne. Oh, wow, that's brilliant. That is magnificent. Game changer. Points of world-class difference. No one stops that.
Right, Okoma 97.1, Okoma Global Sports, and I bread do say the creme de la creme tidbit around the world of sports no, and so ebeba be dan it for any ya chef for Nana Kofi Okore Ajimai together with AK and the writer commentators no etumi abobo ansem na no se menko no kwanten kro na enemi fama fo close nsem no and so entumi enfambra ura production rumor DJ Ziggy B and so any list to eboa ama uko Facebook a enioma ni nyina so no etwegu nti so far no udiweni etwemu na so wadwani feed na Facebook no Okoma 97.1 Okoma 97.1 oh Facebook sanso na YouTube no and so Okoma Radio 97.1 na so etumi adwani feed no na bibia so no etumi aye kama edi no eye krobia asante ensem aye de eba no dodona an yetumi abobos no nim se ne no enso eye UEFA Champions League night ye de ene games eba no ni nyina enso eba ye wia ene teams preparations ene wo mo arrival training sessions ye de ni nyina ebetumi e de abedan referees no ene coaches ene players no wo mo reactions ahead of the games and also eba so no ye de ho actions nyina no enso eba into Facebook Okoma 97.1 sanso na YouTube no enso Okoma Radio 97.1 na wonso etumi adwani feed no na bibia so no etumi aye kama Chelsea ebetumi akwa teni nioma around ewo Santiago Bernabeu anase ene no Villarreal enso eboewremu ewo Allianz Arena no nso etumi abeko ene semi-finals ewo UEFA Champions League mu ana ni nyina no odwani wo Facebook na nso wo de comment nso etumi ato na wetumi like na wepia share ama wunu a ono nso ewo baby no enso etumi adwani show no na bibia so no no etumi aye kama nti quickly no yenko ne yefa yeni enche ene UEFA Champions League games and also eba so imaiwa no ene maamefo na telenovelas no edu ene benada ene ukwada say ya from 7 to 9 no monso mu betumi ejemu e de amambema no na yenso yedungutumi agye eni because ye ja TV no enso amamo ache enti games eba so no say netie udi weni era ene no Alliance Arena ewo Menica ene game eba so ye Bayern Munich etina fie atonsa e de afre the Yellow Submarine ene eye Villarreal womo eye Spanish side womo so etumi ababa piem wo ha womo eba be si akan o second league and also eba so ni mu referee be ginem no eye Slavko Vincic abrantie no anase papa no eye Slovenian international referee UEFA so etumi apa no so no so embegina infifi no to ayerem na yie nso no entumi entoye ewa Alliance Arena bibia enso ebetumi aye kama second game eba so no enso ewo ene no Estadio Santiago Bernabeu ene no remu eye Real Madrid the capital of Spain and a woman so a hosti ene Chelsea the defending champions of the UEFA Champions League 2020-2021 season and a woman so to me Abuerema woman so eka koche said the new man so no ebe to me akwa only say in the first leg no ene Real Madrid to me be piemo ewo ene London and so ebe boy Chelsea by 3-1 ewo Stamford Bridge woman so to me anya na wombe to me aye bia eho this time no woman so ekọ aka koche say new man be to me asesa referee ene mpanifo and so to me apa no so nko girem no to ayerem na bibia so no entumi enye kama between Madrid and so any Chelsea game no referee your friend Simon Marciniak ono no eye Polish international referee ene mpanifo so no asesa wa ben ene ntade awodo de ama no so ono so nko girem na ono so emaye entoye ewo sa games and also eba no nti games and also eba so no eno na ye de atugwa no so far no zigi obebo na yakọ teams ene preparations wo mo arrival any training sessions no ehọ na sa bi no ye pie yenkọ hwe sene ya ene no Villarreal a wo mo free Spain enso aba be pie mu ewo ene Munich ewo ene Germany no yenkọ hwe wo mo arrival no time a wo mo bedu na wo mo ne nam o hwe ene video no a ewo ene your command screen so a onso obehu se wo mo ne nam Augsburg wo be bi Stuttgart wo nyina obehu se ene sign boss no ana se big boss no ne ade ni nyina no ene na video ni mu a wa obehu inti bebia ne wo mo ne nam nyina wo mo kopie mu ewo Munich no onso obetumi ehu Villarreal wo mo ba wo mo ho yellow a wo mo so eba ama bibia so no etumi aye kama na ne no Villarreal wo mo eba no na wo mo so edi a total of 1500 ene fans ana wo mo de eba be pie mu enso ewo Munich na ene ticketa wo mo de ema wo mo anese slot wo mo etumi enyan no ni nyina no e kire se eye sold out after Endra anopa beye 9 AM Ghana time no na ene ticket ni nyina no enso sold out apart from ene Villarreal fans womo ebeto ewo official stores womo ankasa individually womo be kwa kopie mu ba we dia ene flight ankasa Villarreal for no abobo ano womo ede ekonie 1500 fans womo so ede womo ko into be hu se dia ene fans no enso ewo hono ene womo yellow flags no anope womo so ekakọ frɛ yemuhyen womo akọ pie mu enso ewo Munich na bibia so no etumi aye kama ewo hono enye fediagro ewo yenko ne hwe Villarreal womo so womo training sessions wodo womo ye preparations womo so ede akọ Bayern Munich unim se womo 1 goal advantage ewo enenu game womo tumi wini ewo Ceramica ewo Spain no enti ene womo ba no womo so ekra ego advantage womo so ede eba yemfa ehonsem nyina no and so Eddie Ebremwa and yet Fediagro Honwinti training sessions no pictures no nyina movie ubehu Danny Parejo sanso ana ubehu Juan Foyt sanso ana ubehu Francis Coquelin Arsenal manager no and I say Arsenal player and one former manager papa your friend Unai Emery training no and so ekoso honoma and also enye Fediagro yemremu ni enkohwe ene Bayern Munich uremu ubehu se ne Bayern Munich nso no wo training sessions no na eno so ekọ eho no Kingsley Coman no mo eboboa Leroy Sané no mo obi bia eni nemu wo mo hwe se bibia so no ebetumi ayeye Goretzka no wetumi aba bebremu Joshua Kimmich eni Thomas Müller eni Robert Lewandowski owejuma ye so no so betumi atene 1 goal deficit no na bibia so no etumi ay kama no no so etumi stand eni goal tally ewo UEFA Champions League ni mu nti we no nyina eye preparation preparations a ekoso e Bayern Munich so ya womo so ehwe mu players a womo so entumi enya available Emma Bayern Munich no Corentin Tolisso oya brantie bia ontumi ensi akan enefa ma Bayern Munich sanso ana Bunasa Senegalese international no ono so enya available Nicolas Silla ono so enya available any other any players bia womo nsheda in play integral role ewe any Bayern Munich team ni mu a womo so enye available hono ma yede ho nsem nyina no enso etumi eba na opiemu ewe any Santiago de Bernabeu yenhwe time a Chelsea nso no etumi arrive ewe any Madrid Chelsea ABC ewo Madrid no yenhwe said the anasin no enso etie ubehu abrantia ene ye friend no Thiago Silva ono so eni nemu ubehu ene Timothy Werner Kai Havertz sanso anane Christian Pulisic chinoma ejuma no ejina wo monanso se nimu no wo so ebeye clinical na bibia so no etumi akoye edia mount training sessions a Chelsea abra wo Erland ene wo training pictures ni nyina no enso eroli ewo Facebook okoma 97.1 sanso na YouTube no enso eyo Command Radio 97.1 onso betumi abowani akwa mana wehu dia ekoso nyina ewo Spain wa bra Chelsea akwa kopiemu niama wo ye ho nyina no enso etwegu ewo Command page ni so a enye Fediagro eho yenremu ewo Real Madrid ukopiemu a wo ana eto nsa dia fre Chelsea na preparations a wodo a ekoso ewo Estadio Di Stefano training grounds wono onso obehu se de ne players no movie boss no wo movie na brand ya friend Luka Modric etumi ede ne 19 mu ehego bi ewo training grounds a Eradi Yesu ene ya brighter ye friend no Eduardo Mendy enso ebetumi ahwe ne hu yie papa in the first leg no ono so etumi ma Chelsea fo nyina ensa esi form according to the modern boy ono so edemai on the night no enya de ekoyie na ahwe training a ene no Luka Modric eye abrante no akoye ne ho te say Italian wine the more ene enyi no ana no so ede ebemu na brante no echese training no anodin ubehu ene Karim Mustafa Benzema ene Vinicius Junior as amrante no so no wo ye deadly ye papa wo mo ekeka nyoma so no etumi abweni ama bibia so no etumi aye kama of course ye the ene teams preparations wo mo arrival and so any training sessions no so no etumi abremu a ye mbonremu na ye nkohwe ene players and managers reactions just press conference awodwa womo eye ahead of the games and then so toja intino players any managers no womo reactions press conference no yembon remu ni yenkohwe ye be start EDF ene the Yellow Submarine womo manager your friend Unai Emery and no so ede ensem etumi atuga a otwemu se womo be try dia womo betumi aye bia na womo so etumi aye fully focused say ene game no womo so at the end of the 90 minutes no womo so ebetumi enya bibipa enso akwa kopiemu ewo Nazareth asase so ewo Spain enene ensema Unai Emery enso ede atugo a okuzo a ono so can be say no onim the capability of any Bayern Munich team no onim players so dia wombetumi aye the likes of any Robert Lewandowski no no any Thomas Müller womo bobo enye ne womo nyina no na womo so no perform ye into these players no nyina no and are going into Allianz Arena womo nya big teams bia womo etumi enya good results ewo womo fie ba womo kopiemu ho a na enyoma etumi aye den e dia amount or expect say ni team VAR womo so ebe face da eneno challenge no ewo Allianz Arena ne mbom no womo ehopi say tactics ene odi ama ne mpanifo no ana say ne mofra no enso ebetumi go for pepe na game no so no womo be tactically disciplined na che say eneno enya dia womo ka koye any complacency bia enya dia womo ka kotwitwa rough enene nsema papa no enso ede atuga Unai Emery enso ede atuga owie no ana ene na brantie ba ko leading lines no enso ede Emano Gerard Moreno ono ana ne no Dani Parero ene kokre no mo ene Etienne Capuis no mo eye adwuma ne de tuani mu a ono so ebetumi ede ato atene mu brantie no ene papa ye friend Unai Emery na ko inti Gerard Moreno ono eye Villarreal wo mu player and ono so e kan say ene no wo mo e ka kobo one of the most important games in Villarreal's history and then asemo abrantie friend Gerard Moreno and so ede atugwa into a time for them any one squad that one wo sisi an say one so betumi make history bi eja to ede ama Villarreal ama nchiriman so ba one so etumi abehu say Gerard Moreno ene ne mrantie no ana one nyina ekom Nick and so ekoye nsachiraye enti one ehwe nim so okone di one nim say den wo hwe Allianz Arena ho a den ma one yie papa na mmom no one be very focused na their coach Unai Emery enso ene wo aka no wo nso etumi aweke towards na ene game no wo nso etumi akame out victorious at the end of the 90 minutes eno ne nsema ene ya brante no so no etumi ede etu ja ye wie mu no na ye kwa akopie mu ewe ne Bayern Munich wo mu coach ana se wo mu manager ye friend Julian Nagelsmann ana ono so ede etu ga se ene no wo mu ye a lot of mistakes ewo ene Ceramica ewo Villarreal in the first leg wo mu ye a lot of mistakes nemum this time no enya ade a wo mu betumi repeat such mistakes a wo mu so eye week ago inti ene no chances a wo mu be create no wo mu attackers no ewo se wo mu ntumi bury all those chances a wo mu so betumi aba in their way na ene no wo mu so etumi aye victorious at the end of the 90 minutes no wo mu etumi qualify for semi-finals ene ne nsem a ene Julian Nagelsmann ono so lead Bayern Munich team no enso ede etuga yenkone Chelsea any team I friend Real Madrid papa your friend Ancelotti Carlo Ancelotti and so in summer to go to qualify for the semi-finals no dia end of them and any option him so to me qualify na one so no to me compete ye no match him so to me finals no na any Stade de France Paris one so to me akọ finals so ama bipie to me aye kama o say tie no and so enye over onim dia Chelsea ebe to me aye onim team no sanso ana Thomas Tuchel or ye man bia or ye tactically good and the tie no so no enye over and then in sema Ancelotti di 2 go owie na ne ba aye friend no Casemiro and so e de 2 go say ne no wo mo enya dia on ba be complacent watete nsem bebre papa aye friend no Thomas Tuchel ka say enya dia on betumi asesa hwe okono wo makoye wie na wo ma ye ogwanfunu enya dia ene no wo be complacent a very difficult game ana wo mo komu enwumre no enti wo mo ko all out na wo mo etumi ewi ni game no eno ne nsem a ono so Casemiro enso ede etuga yewie na Thomas Tuchel ono so manager de ma Chelsea ono so de nsem kakra etumi ede atuga say ene no den o say to 10 ene 3-1 deficit to 10-3-1 deficit ewo ene Estadio Santiago Bernabeu den en den papa ne mmom no bibia enso possible enti no ne players no ene ono ankasa wo mo etumi aye training after that defeat no nyoma wo mo di egu akwan mu no wo mo so okay enti wo mo ko akohwe how things ebetumi apane out in that particular fixture and also ekoso enwumre ene nsema Thomas Tuchel and so ede etuga Mateo Kovacic Chelsea player wo mo mefoda mapa ono so every Real Madrid Santiago Bernabeu ne be join Chelsea ene obewre mu akwakobo etia Real Madrid no de nsema betuga say ne no 3-1 ono so the same thing aba betuga say 3-1 dey utum say players no any supporters ni nyina 3-1 no na kire say giwo munsuru mu a na mmom no wo mo ye 100% prepared wo mo so ekosa game ni muti Mateo Kovacic ono so no kasa bisa say ne no bibia enye over sa wo mo betumi akwa tani nyoma ama bibia so no etumi aye kama ho no no nsem a eno so efri wo eba UEFA Champions League night ana ene no ye de ho nsem ni nyina no enso esi na video of the day no I think say okay F but sa video of the day we no manfa mazigi ye ochina video of the day na nkasa manfa mazigi kra Harry Maguire ye manfa mazigi on supporter bi manfa mazigi
Maguire asomunyo no
ochina me de beba
Maguire
ochina me de beba na
obi na bo anyo in the
okay unim say eneno Monte Carlo koso ewo France Monaco tennis koso na Paris Saint-Germain wo mo players no holidays kakra enti wo mo akọ piem wo Neymar and Mbappe ne Messi no amunkohwe bi na unim say Novak Djokovic kan bi na wo hye odu wona say wo mo bebo kakra enti tactics na Novak Djokovic any Neymar no mo behu say Novak Djokovic o kire say nye tennis ne nko ano nimbo enti said ada nioma ekoso no eno so ko Facebook ubetumi I enjoy name video of the day na ankasa no bebo china enti eno so dia ekoso edino Krobia Asante creme de la creme tidbit around the world of sports and I de ebai.
All right, Krobia Asante ena moten nkano Zuba ayaya fina chine ya no microphone de ben ne ade ne headset ayaya atofon so atofon ofro ama akwaba
Zuba mejoso ayeze
bia boko
o nyame ato bia fine Jesus but ya ho ye so ho ye
oh nyankopon adom
okay the radius but one blaster just no the other call ya walk up ru ye unya hu ye wo
mahu na airtime
super super
asa
super very good shots this thing no just so
puma phone
puma crop puma phone
airtime asa
super dey anya fem out
red no pa red
why did you get kakra o
why did you kakra
o so home ni ye but away na we twa wa we like away twa wa so ka me feel me ne ba fi bere really azuba na no say that nye yaza but every day jeje bere jeje boy so o can cry so o yo mane super o yo mane jeje okay I don't know
okay some yo my day
but jeje na say that
nye say no pa obi na proposed one
okay
the fina o say on go akoda impenyin for no afia nti o gi tuma na fine but also obi ade ne dey be obi ade ne design ne ade be ba na ma she ntino but to me media nkoyi
so yes yeah be break it no amanfo ehu jesi no yes amanfo e say that nye yabate ya dredre meku hu aba opa na beka la crème de la crème ti e dia ba super mama we say it is very little girl Maslin nana insra e Japan ni ni aka be rade dia fe ba ko dia
so what 10 minutes
super happy birthday and come Maslin nana e insra Japan rade ade afi ba ko dia ka ni mfiri yes rade ma no kwatente na onyimba ya akola pa mema nya ni ntize ni nya poshi ade o follow da bi o follow step na mboa o follow ni steps na mboa ti Maslin enjoy day na you be track cake maka just be track cake be bia ka mo potopro ni chiches live band boys no nyame aduma be ma chile na boa na ma bia so etimi akon kan ti enjoy day ti zuba no komo no easy enjoy your day ti zuba yanko bra enkomo opa baby jet akasa samobodu so no kasa sa perifo kasa yanko bra
omo kasa
okay yanko bra.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own.
Woman for visa vantia so median so information etie family so Okuma Radio 97.12 culture ni no so culture ni ase team na France 2 flight number 97.1 and amyoma ahon come so no anya fira going to channel live for Facebook opa comment like share so na kopie ma YouTube obenya the clever description of the pictures na bibia so no etumi akonka medino edit the writer commentator and sense na say enter pan fan free over the weekend Ghana Premier League kunim say game akwo etumi atodwa ewo ye Kumase Sports Stadium. Yes, Krobia Kumase Asantora Kwatana Fie Atonsa Erfa Glorious across the folk number in terms of game no Ebaniano Krobia Kumase Asantora ko it may win by a long go to now Brant Anthony Frank Impele Tuga. He has a penalty no Katu attempt to tada Ausiana Komano Engada and Yefidiagada after the game and Alko Pioma coaches no outdraw heading Kuma Kredi ba Uko Pioma head coach Adama Ayabo Quantini so for Koranti at Samo Board Kofioso how to come back say yes game a very nice game or better supporters a better performing yes but all the same no penalty na jo kotno no hwe penalty ni
House of Folk board of directors ne administration na medom asene playing body ne technical team and it start time for very nice game but so decision be ayebom no say dia mimi hu ye no say nya sa na tie dia well I don't know the person Ghana football no ayefe and ayebe so we ba obi ho me ba na wo hwe me I don't have problem but make sure say good football no be flow say the be ya Ghana for ni nyina no yeso ye ni beje ye well yes me san share playback and say na metini aka say but such a big game na say with such decisions no eba and sometimes no dey mind.
When you come out, head coach Arma Ayagrass across for Samo Bodo, Kofi Swadia by Yadia Mazin, final to just say, top for no, Mamma and Abzo, has a Renes and also Wakra, top for no, booby.
Until it is over, we are still on course. No, tactically, FA Cup, idea, so you won't move say, you're making sure say the top four, so as a folk, a better part of that top four. Now, with the cap no Yabona I think say yenya fair officiating and who is really good. Exactly.
And Abusia, when you come across Samuel Boduano, a head coach, Arma Glorious across the folk, what do you buy? Eddie Amazon, for coach, Arma Crobia Kumasia Santraco, Dr. Prospana Togo Penino, Ayobika Crasa, yes, I share penalty now, open up Bizanza penalty you. Abi, you were there watching and you did this thing. Or the Komaka, Eddie Jai.
You run commentary, so you have the benefit of the doubt to see it twice or more than that. From my technical area, there was a contact. Once a player has the ball and he's in the penalty area, and he's advancing towards goal, the slightest of contact can make him imbalance and he can lose the ball. The player just touched him. I mean, he brought him down. The law says that it's a penalty. So once you brought him down in the penalty area, it's a penalty.
I was at a loss, and I say, what you say loss, no, say loss, and or no, you should that technical brain or the Akasa loss, no. See, I don't know, come out, Claudia Bana. Yeah, besides, I'm out for see, leg my fairy answer, said Abiamontomboise. Maybe you do not boys no focus. They need to focus on him, non quebble go your monka. We bet maybe we need 10 matches now, cannot, no, bet legano.
No, there are so many matches, so many games to go. So we need to stay focused. I will keep telling you guys that. Until the final whistle, it is not over. We need to stay focused. 10 more games is 30 points. If a team is able to amass 30 points and add to his points, he can cause a surprise. So we need to stay focused and make sure that we pick it game by game. And until the last game against Accra Lions in Accra, it is not over. So we need to still keep our focus and make sure that we do the right things on the field and off the field to make sure that we get the job done.
Abusia when Komakra, Doctor Wadiaba, Yedi Amaseneti, for none say that game no penalty na Korokofonia no na for baby a man fast at a complaint na former FIFA referee rating at TRK. Yes, Papa ne Komakra Diabas. No, Todia penalty no penalty.
It's a penalty. Fabio Gama's aim is to move forward. Okay, now the tackle from the number 20, as he stays like. When he slushed his leg in front of him, there was the need for Fabio Gama to change direction. If you look at the posture of his left foot, is to brace the ball, and now bracing the ball back makes him he has to turn. How would he turn when you have hooked in from behind? Look at Fabio Gama's shirt. You see that the shirt has even moved in the middle of it. So you can see that he resisted the movement of Fabio Gama after blocking him in front. After bracing it, Fabio Gama has to move back.
And there was a winning Komakra, Okopiema, Mr. TRK, Wadiaba, Yadia Mazinate, for Nasari to Johnny Abisa, Yantia South of Folk, as well, Todia Commander Ghana Football Association, as a Damatama be a Rafika Kennedy Padino, Omedio Petisigas, Yapana, Una ye, and GF away for now, Omdi, Winnie by Nanka, Uber Twatchne, and as a Ubedin defense him.
I think I've given you the outcome already. I'll throw it out. You see, what I believe should be done right now, situations like this, I believe that it's not, if the explanation I'm giving now is coming directly from the referees department of the FA, it will silence everybody, because here we are doing training and development for ref. The concept the referees go through in interpreting the laws, it's not something that is public. So the understanding of the referee's concept in terms of refereeing is not so with all the teams, because at one stage we've gone to the extent of saying that teams must invite instructors or occasionally educate them on the laws of the game. So if we can start that side of it, people will begin to understand the concept, and then they themselves will even debate among themselves that it's correct or it's not correct.
And there was when you come across former FIFA referee, ranting area Mr. Thomas, yes, TRK. What you buy, Yadia Masinity for now, just as Samajan, Blaster saw time leading squad himself, Bono, on Yan Adio Soberi, time to make a former player. Now, Yanni didn't come in after Sagana, you draw the bano, baby, Susu Sell, Kaya found best shaming Yamasi, hey, Kara for Mokasa. On no baby just on your fit, on Sadan your visa, but on your face no your team me a pot na team no shiny performance ko ya. I'm friend of Blaster. Why not?
Sir, Tiziana me retire any day. I think sir I have to end the call up. I will say Ebia make me aye training na minya team me bo e wo bibia me perform I know there I have to I will say me any sa call up no enye say e bia o Asamoah Gyan wa share good so you see intino ofrifia na okobo no it doesn't work like that for me I think say I have to end the call up I will say me ye fit na me team bia me bo me homodin na on betumi aframe me that one really gifted player who can do anything on the field but physically I don't think I'm ready. Physically, I don't think I'm fit yet. Like physically, say maybe Saturday I will say me making sure say me a fit. I have to share some weight. I have to be in the right shape to play any competitive football. But you see idea, and I make I say I know me more be kakra. Me serious training be. Person me more competitive that I say me step up me game now me fit to be ready to play.
Tiabusia when you come back baby jet what you buy ya dia ma senete for na asadi tuja that's a branch adin Mohamed Salisu ne one player bia ukopie mo England almost about top 3 defenders do yin now yin is in chain abrante ne good part no sa ne komo Erifa Machide asumre hu e de jaye.
I watch him as a fan because Oyadi was Southampton. I think he's one of the top 3 best defenders in the Premier League, which Oya Ghana ni so ama Ghana di no so ko ichiri nti oyobi obo no homodin but the name say o person obo national team na say there be why not because it's not only the best defender in the Premiership and the Premiership is the best league in the world and he say will be a top 3 best defender of Premiership definitely the person is eligible to play in the national team if only he's in the coach's plan. Why not doing so? Definitely, yeah, he should be ready for the national team. But he depending on yeah, he should be included at least because about Anderlecht, a top team of Belgium, and we had some players who almost about Belgium, and he's a key player in the team, and he was doing so well in this season. So I feel say on coach no plan no crampuna at least he should be in the national team. Me compare other players now. On only midfielder he was informed at that time and now born in Homoding. Anything na Emma me ebe tweet so but I don't have any personal issues with anybody. I was just talking the fact, just expressing my opinion, and people did agree with me. And Nkofoso ebi omunim no omuko share boy no na like everybody agree with me, but I don't have any personal issues with anybody. I was just sharing my own opinion.
See, I don't know. And the Chelsea gave me the audio. Crawford Club waiting with great with TT at Chelsea, dear. And I don't know. So, by besides that, that man that be beyond them no share. Open now, Ben and Suarez or Ben or see. Oh, what any problem? But then time no Southampton Yinanka Unyana called Pony Blow.
Suarez, me Yanushi. Suarez say, oh yeah, they see we know 2010. He did it to save his country. And also I'm banker. Almost ain't been go through. We had opportunity, we blew it away. But he had to do what he had to do to keep the team in the tournament. Maybe I make say me want to shoes more. Na side way na me so me yes ah. E dey aboa me country. Sometimes people feel say a cheat, but he had to do everything to save the country. Onya red card, but sacrifice yama. The country more could true. See me want to shoes more me so me yes ah. Oh there be. Sad time no mu there. One say I didn't see. I fresh. Say Nkofo Kikano, me to run team kakra me kai Sunderland against Liverpool. Ye na yebo home nti omo chia chia ba. Enim bia me de hwe no no. Na be pese be body Nkofo Kikan ye mama na committee being naive at that time no. But later me be dream him na me say I had to let it go because me Suarez I miss me the say.
See, I no. I say ni brother ten. Go le. You be te super non come as well. But mon join live for Facebook. Blaster just any ade ko 2022 kata no. E dey for mon join papto. Mon join pa super. We will say Jesse ne da so kama. Hey fresh Jesse. Super Jesse di anu ten. Super Jesse we na say nyefe. Oh super. Oh da Jesse. Oh super. Look at it. Look at it. What look? Very nice and succulent Jesse. Puma phone aye. Super won't put Jesse no. Puma phone aye. Very nice one. David. Super then I know what thing. When you be studio, I'm just saying all the group matches be winning here. You need fair. You need Portugal. You see.
Ready no.
That be say in Portugal. I'm no bohum.
You Portugal. I'm say ready no.
Red no. I say cloud. Viemu. Say
viemu so you ready.
Viemu. But when say viemu be yeah. That sana deny. And I white did him this. But no said that you encouraging sir. But in Canada, white no seeing crying acrobat. Canada, drop him comment. Musha, Jesse F. And because Aban Ghana for baby start so this just say ke shoot tete na ba ko na bola yellow one na ka mbom ye.
Na say ne Black Star replica Ghana jersey. I mean kind of Black Star Ghana jersey replica is you red yellow green ni. Efe probably I want our replica no red yellow green no. Efe you abi the more time.
Yes, and American.
To me be mom.
So we are moving forward.
Now represent on my no as in where Ghana colors ni.
Super when say ye ko enim ti no bibia na o say yes.
Yantu colors na nchene.
Sa no mo patch almost sa.
Maybe sa yantu colors.
My yantu nchene but almost sa won say they are doing rebranding and restructuring, you know?
Your flag and if na white oh.
Oh, flag na dia white in him.
It's white in the meaning ya dey.
White in the okay. I'm not so super how the way be about. Super, I don't know what Papa. Ziggy, no. Face, but let me celebrate this. Super. Oh, let me do this today.
The writer, and I'm saying, I say, if you say what the buy, you didn't come UEFA Champions League, and won't come and so Papa Fresh, ever ha, Krabia Sante, one half so the writer commentator. Amwa in the Champions League and come. I'm Papa Fresh Akwaba. Papa Fresh Akwaba.
Eke.
Yes.
I mean, I don't be a Ekoye.
The be a Koye.
Eke.
Okay. Now, what you want to say?
That moment will be on way.
Okay.
Be on way.
Maybe so. You don't know yet. Be on way. So Easter, you only wife you be a year courage nest. So I say, encourageness. Don't say Easter on the rage.
Yes.
Come on, you need readiness for Cabo. I just say, all for a pastor Lewa.
Oh wow! I need a new program to
new program.
Because
one
of the highlight legends.
I know that tickets, no. Una regular no 50 Ghana and a VIP near 100 Ghana. And when full Papa Fresh.
Oh, for real, guys, a cardenanka.
You know, and also. I don't know, open ticket in Libya. Na onya oba oni odi ba ko ba ndi ba ko na bia se on for ba ne ba ko na do akanche ma bia ba you know and also Power Fresh
Diamond man.
But a quick one you go show UEFA Champions League and Real Madrid above or Bernabeu no Chelsea above first leg Madrid it could win away 3-1 any game no I didn't ever go.
I'm making my minute for and I'm in Tunchi and Koma Brad Kofi or a driver or a stroller. The taxi net here Christ is the answer. That be a command. And I Kofi Awaga. And also a driver was sure also 80 command radio. Diamond, I think I know you expect to say being different air Chelsea from Nanu game normal boy or air Stamford Bridge, you know. Because as a team, so all that firm by me, 3-1. Now here 2 goals. No to me. I pray a be as obenya. You can't say extra time will be abba. I think say I was also some we game now what they call first leg, you know, because you know say coach and the Thomas Tuchel ebe take over our Chelsea, you know. The main you to me defensive or to me build a Chelsea team, you know, because now you know say Lampard or Chelsea lusu and I say consider more goals and ultimate build a Chelsea team, you know, at the tray back, you know. 8 my Chelsea last season 8 year the Champions League, you know. Wamra City boy and I think say I know na the hallmark on also at the bar Chelsea more looking at goals team nation and shada no so but be defending very well send be also nya den to me and share goal ni bi and I say goal no match no to me and take that goal no and what try team aboa no bebrain e wo Chelsea and I'm so I'm a last season to me edge Champions League but going into this game, I hope say coach and the Thomas Tuchel bet me and pull up a different strategy from a gamer on a Real Madrid or Stamford Bridge because you know who say Chelsea definitely more air 3 back now and in every game. But game I come we a game first leg and well lose by 3-1 and lucky why they say I will go no and count by this time. This time, you know, it's on changes are FIFA and I say UEFA NT and my you can say we go so and count until now what Chelsea need to do is say to me I share at least 2 goals no more to me a pushy game no dey akọ extra time and me person me who more attacking football na yimri e Chelsea game no because who defend it. Yes, a woman say who boy against one of the best strikers ever USF and you know talking about Karim Benzema being Spanish La Liga top scorer this season. You know, I think say yes, Oko enim now so we share wechi so bet me Astopo players like Vinicius Junior and Karim Benzema say suppliers you know in fee Vinicius Junior ho and mark Karim Benzema ho but we share no so now so share attack was say bet me I improve upon attack na no wodi nya one goal no enti na yimreke me hwe nim say be hu a very different Chelsea and talking about Chelsea move akọ Bernabeu ho no I think it's a very difficult game coach no crack say because when Real Madrid but team otumi age back to back Champions League eto aso 3 ne bo ono favorite Champions League mu a watumi age trophies be bring the most successful club Champions League mu no Real Madrid one ne bonus we benya 3 goals away na watimu baako now we here be at least 2 goals and so na watumi push game no to extra time I think say when that team no eba e was say wo hwe ho yie kakra and talking about Karim Benzema ne modern boy this season no ye nyina nim sa branch na aboa Real Madrid be bring because wo hwe goals a wa share La Liga nim wo hwe ne contribution Edma Real Madrid team no Champions League nim I think say e was 3 year papa and talking about Santiago Bernabeu Benzema ball Bernabeu nso a ade ba ko a ade fans no etimi ema Benzema nso na hoode no etimi foforo na eden etimi ba enti na yimre Chelsea pre goals no me expect so on betimi nso ahwe kwan on betimi a block na no be kai a Vinicius Junior crossing e ba no Benzema etimi take ni nyina enya that 2 goals a header no tumi eden edinya 2 goals first half no and I think say Chelsea call Stamford Bridge you know coach Tuchel oni bibi obelusu because now what that family answer so room Stamford Bridge you can say Santiago Bernabeu I think say I was say open up kakra because more defensive now you need more goals and now can make sure him say Abrante and Dini Lukaku but and Kreba say Lukaku enya the way to me akọ game ni because now no game no as o pride kakranti Chelsea echo game no without Ross Barkley Bencho were prayer for a long time and Abrante and Dini Hosno doing so for a very long time on also Epra Romelu Lukaku abekan ho a I 4 players I want shine na nyimre no enya de obe hu mo Chelsea set up and I think say na nka wo hwe ekwan na Chelsea ehia goal na me wo hyesanke a obeyusu Lukaku but unfortunately we on to me yeden embo game and I think a very big blow to Chelsea team because of na hoden a obetimi de agina defenders na so no and Man U Real Madrid so Adam Militao defender ba ko ananka ono pe obo 4 and 5 oni Alaba ebo 4 and 5 no ono so nano as a unique game no because when we game no throughout the 90 minutes ye unique film and Kreba as ocean ono so as a prakakra when I was suspension bi enti anhwa ono so entimi enya den AC game no but talking about apart from Adam Militao ono entimi more game no bi enano all the players no be available at the Bobo Quantin at the Real Madrid and I think say Carlo Ancelotti so mo hwe be odi team na du na lead La Liga to aso Champions League mo qualify the semi final and I think say ono so timinya etimi bodies 2 goals ho ban na say omutimi at the end of the game no inkodimdi etimi call them Real Madrid I think say a better plus obeka coach Ancelotti Arsenal and from one shot na Real Madrid went to me and kon any more Champions League dimwa one shot na Real Madrid hamona nesa and if so to me progress the course semi final na I think say betimi aboa no palma bia watimi aka Real Madrid hon so me expect Chelsea so be more attacking and anyumri you expect Chelsea so be more attacking and anyumri N'Golo Kante was all kon anim because anyunim say N'Golo Kante move forward Chelsea attack no now no move forward kakra na Chelsea enya that 1 goal no So and then you may mention me say coach no betimi ama N'Golo Kante move forward na etimi abo ma Chelsea maybe ball bibia to me say wom say ye den there but maybe Chelsea betimi akonya that 2 goals na etimi push game no e dey call extra time make.
Okay, Papa Fresh and Motene Kano Club ya and our team Chelsea ujina kono Bernabeu against Real Madrid. Then now your coach Thomas Tuchel or the Beko game no more after say first game no to me lose by 3-1. I live there yeah so and you know you and you know your coach Thomas Tuchel approach when and I would call game no more after say we lose 3-1 and how are you attacking the game? Therefore, we will call all out and then you know we set back up one goal beat then in the second half and swap pay back all the account. Thomas Tuchel.
Well, okay. Yenchia yetiefo nyina yenchia omo once again. Embraju media so I think say baby abe Madrid Chelsea but men so amijina he even as a Chelsea fan me were keen interest our project Unai Emery and Villarreal and how far they've gotten to in this year's UEFA Champions League. From last season, ejuma wamu ye in the Europa League, nene mua ebe wini the Europa League, you know. After say o free ene Seville ebe PMU or Arsenal, nyoman kuye. Then going back to ene Paris Saint-Germain, our baby PMU or Villarreal. Ejuma oye or Villarreal na thing say wabenya bebia na sumu edwino. Then their policy I wo any the understanding in penny for no any the backing or from Villarreal no and I say the Yellow Submarines for no I don't say to me I then abuano ama any their ordinance can be answer no to me a defending champions or the UEFA Europa League this season you know Barcelona eshe ni mse onu so betumi agisa trophy ni bi and this season the modern boy in the Champions League we to me actually say that whole know the likes of Sevilla, the likes of Barcelona are most at times womona eka the other teams are womo completely ebe bo most at times ebe represent the Spanish teams in Europe no womo to me abemuye and from their performances womo dia my last season our European campaign ebepim this season no etumi ache say yes indeed this is a teamer ubia e catch say he was woman na evini the Europa Cup na enya de be yonwa and I think say womo etumi aye juma okay a team wo hwe ne away games or boy nyina okwa away evini that games ni nyina e wa away but Atalanta evini games no e wo and in the modern boy our ball round of 16 yaba be hu the quarter finals no yabe hu first leg modern boy our boy was Ceramica awonya that 1 goal lead and near amboa womo honomo that day say chances bebre womo e create ya womo into me utilize it but womo enya a goal out of numerous chances womo to me create that day and at least they should have been getting by 4 goals and I said 3 impo anka womo ba with a certain vim be say anye ye kra no de before our any wobe pongim no mbe to me anya qualification even with a defeat mbe to me anya qualification but say no entumi amba mbe ye sa and by me nekin so ye one team womo bo fie bia womo kwa we bia na womo bo fie dem ma womo o share the last 10 years it took Real Madrid out to me share womo back to back and no team and etumi ayesa no and then ono so eba fie yehudia okoye was Salzburg oba fie obeshe 7 and this time round in the quarterfinals wasanso ako away ako lose by a goal to 0 and oba Allianz Arena no you share how the players were unfair one more quality players one more players they've seen it all one more players character momentum everything self motivation one more bibia the likes of Lewandowski, the likes of Thomas Müller, Joshua Kimmich, and Leon Goretzka. These are players that are more experienced. Even the young ones in the crowd, one more matured in terms of such competitions. Because the likes of Benjamin Pavard, and Theo Hernandez, these are young players. But one more to me go all out in Pakwaku winning World Cup. One more to me in 2 seasons ago. One more team and Bayern Munich at the Champions League if Paris Saint-Germain is in terms of experience, in terms of character, in terms of momentum, many Bibiano, this Bayern Munich side were ahead of Villarreal coming into this particular game. But this time I'm expecting a shock in the UEFA Champions League because 2018 yehu dia ayas etumi ebeye Real Madrid ye ba be last season Chelsea teams are boy that time Atletico Madrid form that time obi no kushia Real Madrid form in terms of Champions League and BBA or character no obi no okushia the inform Pep Guardiola side ene friend ene Manchester City ama ono so to me edinkunima one so I'm expecting say this season if say ebenya shock bi mu a I'm expecting say this time it will be a Villarreal side one mo betumi aba ene no Allianz Arena etumi aba benya a qualification. Even they might say one mo betumi a lose game no, but me expect to say at the end of it all say be extra time and as on penalties one mo betumi enya the qualification ahead of a team my friend Bayern Munich. So surprise I me share say betumi sipa this Champions League ni mu say Villarreal betumi a share and as betumi yi Bayern Munich and so etumi efim yehu dia wo mokoye Turin abra wo mokoshia Juventus wo mo bo 1-1 Ceramica was Spain eba be PM Turin eba be share Juventus side by 2-1 and a team away to me a Juventus to me can chem say oba Allianz Arena no ehu no so na say stage no so man say to me enkopi for Allianz Arena crowd no and I'm hoping say at the end of it all me shey ni mu say Villarreal ebe to me a qualify enumre no matter the scoreline, no matter how the game will fare. Me shey ni mu say neno me hu looking at Juma Unai Emery etumi ayeno and at the end of the 90 minutes or the extra time sebeko penalties whatever at the end of the day at the end of the game krana referee ebe pon game no I'm expecting Villarreal to sail through ahead of Paris and I say Bayern Munich honweke quick on Chelsea and Real Madrid this game me pese me kasa bebre wo ho me pese game we no yembo game ni wie then fi ochina ekono me ba na ma be assess from the first leg ekoy no ene game a be koso no na 2 games no Chelsea and Real Madrid abono na ma ye me assessment. Last season we went in Estadio Di Stefano yepo 1-1 ye ba be shell was Stamford Bridge 2-0 and ye betumi yusu that 2 games and so they make a point. And this particular game, me pese me kasa bebre. Pese Chelsea enko na onko bo game win. Then you betumi a general assessment of 2-legged games Chelsea and Real Madrid etumi a boy because in the first leg mimi hu nyoma bia and very good and said that on any normal day biano it shouldn't have happened. I see in that particular first leg to me a course and I'm expecting a different ball game altogether Estadio Di Stefano. The best for Chelsea to me at the early stage say at least in the first half they shouldn't and I said they should desist from conceding a goal. First goal ebe play very 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 key role this fixture and first goal no whoever obenye biano ebe make a case yepa and se Chelsea enim na eneno o ma Real Madrid enya first goal na ebe to me aha o mu yepa because Real Madrid the moment obenya first goal Chelsea will push for the equalizer and more now will piano one more players skillful players like Vinicius Junior any Abrante friend Mustafa Karim Benzema very pacey players, very skillful, one-on-one, one move to me a beat you. And the moment I will push it forward, you know, a bit to me the whole, a to me a beat you, and giving room to Abrante, your friend Luka Modric, and Toni Kroos. So one so able to me, I that exercise of one more passing ability, no, one more to me a showcase in the midfield, and I don't know being it you. I'm a woman to me, I'm a that passes, you know, and so to me, I call the likes of Benzema and Vinicius. And these are players are Womunyabo and Ibiana are very, very dangerous to deal with. And Womuch first go a bit to me, I call so Chelsea, to me, I consider bear 4 goals in today's game. Yes, so you come, but should Chelsea get a first goal in the first half, the best is one more slow tempo down. And in the first 15 minutes, they should make sure say one more than get pressure because these are players. Man can't about the pacing nature of this Real Madrid teams. The likes of Luka Modric, Mrika will move to at the end of every game. Which kilometers are one more running in the game. Obi Beka say one more 20 years in the 21. And these are players who are on that room now. Always be a one more best function year in expense of who players are war because they've played together for so many 15, 12. 10 years one more to me abo, and these are players one more ball unlike Chelsea there last season. Me to me I can say if not Tuchel's experience I had fame mukoji Champions League na a team and you say building process one more process I want to me building. So I think say I'm hoping say Chelsea be the first goal in the first half, then first half on one more be quick to make no mistake, then in the second half new approach, new tactics, anyhow one more to me handle game no at the outcome. Okay, my general assessment on this particular game no, will be tomorrow after the 2-legged games are here. But if nothing at all, Chelsea en co game wemu en Lucy. If nothing at all, there's no way in football 90 minutes gameplay. Chelsea eko ball with a team waba Stamford Bridge. Ababeshe 3. Now Chelsea echo in the reverse fixture led by Abrante and as a papa friend Thomas Tuchel. In no way ever Estadio Santiago Bernabeu Real Madrid able to me every game. No, if nothing at all, the best is Chelsea is not losing tonight's game. Chelsea will 100% won't lose this particular fixture. And then one very, very key. Chelsea will be on the score sheet for sure. Looking at Real Madrid, one more attacking force, Estadio Santiago Bernabeu, they will also be on the score sheet. So both teams to score. But Chelsea, at the end of the 90 minutes, Chelsea won't come as losers over this particular fixture.
Uchrema game no both team to score.
Both team to score.
Right and efficacy no.
Both team to score.
Both team to score.
Yes. Both team. Chelsea, Real Madrid, both team to score. Chelsea won't lose Chelsea at the end of the 90 minutes. Chelsea win. Didn't lose game no.
Chelsea will qualify.
Yes.
I say then Chelsea will win.
Chelsea
qualification about a plus.
A plus.
But
this Chelsea particular fixture you both team to score, but Chelsea adia enka Chelsea game we unkra 90 minutes yedi hu and say Chelsea lose 90 minutes of football Santiago Bernabeu adia enka game no unkra ni say Chelsea ebe lose and both team to score Chelsea enya adi obe lose. Then in Bayern Munich for the first time he been share then who games say surprise biya shadaba, and if say team be surprise this season that angular Villarreal and Okobo 1-1 was Ceramica ebe PMU Turin ebe bo Juventus by 2-1. Watsana ene Ceramica abo Bayern Munich by 1-0 coming into Allianz Arena. Okay. At the end of it all, if I'm being realistic, I'm looking forward to say you pay 4 teams that won't about the semi-finals and then the second leg are 2 teams in Ebabo. I'm expecting say ne Ebabo be 9 now Real Madrid and Villarreal to me qualify.
I know a crowd be asante then somebody to draw a chance so just say Villarreal and so no a bit to me a qualify over Bayern Munchen and then somebody to draw 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 ubetumi do agent chapa ana 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 UEFA Champions League. And once ubetumi de aba oti say baby jeta samoja nso akasa chirema ono no on retire na mo no ncheda nya fite wo ya fita World Cup idie ogina mu se ayi lumba no ogina papa and also between the agent they are found area but now messages aba no we say Jeff Akufo Boateng yes I say Okuma Global Sports more fire man nyina say AK say Jeff Eshimo shoe fabric you know awie inchia shoe fabric for adwuma fo nyina inchia mo Jeff ana beauty mo inchia mo papa mo bo adwuma awaye shoe fabric na Jeff dey some say me ba o na ko be ko na assignment na yetima koye na bibia kama shoe fabric faculty na Reina the about I say more fire enko emfa Mamo Samson na Kofi Ajman Blackman I say good afternoon watching you inside Pig Farm in Accra more fire enko emfa Mamo Samson ne Kwabna Majesty odi jane de ato a chese more fire enko emfa team ni enyina obapa gina papa bi I say great one guys more fire enko emfa godi moji echin so yaba say fire there's a fire no anesu junior ya opare so share life and so ewo Kwame Ofei I say this is CEO of Don Pablo Pub hey I say watching you live from Manchester missing you all God Almighty bless you there's a Don Pablo ano etemu Greater Manchester I mean you sure say Don Pablo support United you know okofa abrabo ya agbo no akopi o Manchester yi osan kofa United kan ho dia there's a associate baba you know Don Pablo CEO of Don Pablo Pub inchia otem awoye Manchester na the pub no so ma biem awe kopo Mandela Junction a amafo no etie nyanti yenchia omo Don Pablo Pub na CEO so tem awo Manchester no yenchia no ene awie enzo ewa ha we di the message about I say good afternoon staff my number one priority AK for short good luck to Chelsea FC ahead of today's game but if we want something positive then Marcos Alonso must start the game. Wretched inside Nuasu City, Uduma Sokrobo, Ena Ode Aba. And you know, Branoko had some sensem, the Entumen Urem Achana, the Tanasia, the Vedi Sancomono, had to focus on sensem, the Entumen Urem, your Chana Tanasia, the Birumna, Yedi Sancomono, and so Ewa. Tilibesi, I'm a Pechana, Beba, Neabeto, Zuba, now
Zuba, Yanachana.
Birthday no. We did birthday now ya na china.
Yeah, na china.
Enti ano somebody ya kwe maminchia Mahmood ewom ewa Tamale oye nurse ni pa Mahmood. Mema so ya nurse make nurse ni writer bubu na ni hwem sa. Mema ya nurse for the Mahmood etimo Tamale o hwe dwumedi ntu yinchia no. Bro, aminchia papa ewe na face minchia Marian Agri and I am da Marian say oh a Madrid fan and I'm hey me mami da ben oh yeah Madrid fan we say akwan aba hunti Madrid fan omo Madrid player cause say okon Instagram aba na see Marian Agri also owo mu UDS UDS minchi papa mami me do papa Yakupon shaw na onye okese na aja exam say otwire nyina so mbo na pass na bibia so no enye kama Marian Agri do papa me no enti yedebesi ame pechina ebeba na abeto so executive producer enso no era Kofi Anson Bafo KB enti ano Samson ene no producer extraordinaire poabo ansem ni nyina no edegu krata so ame yede bae nana Kofi Okoreachman sansu boom say head of sports ebo ye chidom DJ Zigibi wetem ene no technician room control ni ama twetwoma I mean Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. Ni nyina so etimekwe guya na enye filia grow na Samson and the writer commentator TWC for short. Bogumza, Jupayona, no Bogumza. Na yeah, Vichicha man sa ntino writer and so etime boy Samson and Neno Donzi. Na no time Abigail Munyina boy. Listo and a photographer no nchada antiapo ya no speedy recovery. And so, Yakupon fan and Sanka on our face on Sa Yade na echina watimi abeka yensa enso ewa ha yekui de me se ene no wo ya babunu na abesa obobo wo under 14 and under 17 a eye Equiapem Icons Football Academy ana aba ye kanfo enso na dia ma wo ye maama wo ye papa akora no hwe na o se o potential obetuma bobo a bra na befa forms e ma oba no na afin so prepare no yintumi mfa entitie mu ni entuenu no na afin so no omra no me icon e we Equiapem Ghana ana afin so wi ase afana entina Equiapem Icon Football Academy aba ay under 14 ana afin so no under 17 ana 14 forms so no 20 Ghana cedis pe ana afin so na under 17 no 30 Ghana cedis oba na abefa bi ema ba minye so oba no bo obe so obo no eno so no entumi nkwa wi pa ebekwa wi pa na afin so be atibia no I proud ede ema oba no nti eno nti no oba command fondex ya oba na PRO na no damia yes PRO ede ma Equiapem Football Academy ati ha ageno goggles ha ono so ehwe nkratam be yi forms ni bia ma o na onso no ageni sika de ato na Equiapem afrew na aja training exercise ni recruitment exercise nyina ono so no ede mo afimti obaba not ya abaya kama so the fondex na yes on na PRO ede ma Equiapem Icons Football Academy tuba I am 14 20 Ghana cedis and I 17 no 30 Ghana cedis so abeka bi abibia atumi akoso kama medin Kelvin Amponsa Eddie betima frame AK Jeff say emanyina AK enso enemy nyame pechina yebehia na edin komo muchumka
higher, you know what it is. Higher,